Ciao a tutti and greetings from Costa Brava, Spain. Today I would like to talk about an advanced citizenship eligibility topic, and that is how to get around the 1948 rule. To help me talk about this, I've brought in an expert, Marco Mellone, an Italian lawyer who often works with 1948 appeals.
Buongiorno a tutti, good morning.
Buongiorno, Signore Mellone. Thank you so much for talking with me today. Let's go ahead and get started. So, what is the 1948 ruling and how does it affect iure sanguinis applications?
Well, 1948 is a very important date according to the Italian law because it is the date of entry into force of the Italian constitution. And starting from that moment, no discriminations are allowed between male and female citizens in Italy. Before 1948, Italian female could not transmit the Italian citizenship to their children. Starting from 1948, thanks to the entry into force of the Italian constitution, this problem was solved.
Let's recap that. Before the Italian Constitution came into effect on January 1st, 1948, women could not pass on their Italian citizenship to their children. On or after January 1st, 1948, they could. However, good news, in 2009, a new Italian court ruling made it so that descendants normally affected by the 1948 rule can now claim citizenship via iure sanguinis through a legal loophole.
In 2009, a famous ruling from the Italian Supreme Court established that even these descendants are eligible to be recognized as Italian citizenship.
But this 2009 ruling has not been integrated into law yet. So, in other words, you have to take it to court to be able to uphold it?
Exactly. The good news is that the Italian courts are constantly applying this ruling from the Supreme Court of 2009. Therefore, the chances that these descendants could be recognized as Italian citizenship at state are very high.
One question, who exactly is eligible to have the 1948 rule appealed?
All the descendants, regardless the number of generation, are eligible to claim, to invoke this new ruling of the Supreme Court before the Court of Rome.
Okay, great. And so what does this look like exactly? Let's say I want to hire a lawyer to have my 1948 case appealed. Does the lawyer need to be an Italian lawyer?
Must be a lawyer admitted at an Italian bar.
So you hire a lawyer and then what happens?
The first step, which is normally required in these cases, is the client to give to the lawyer a clear outline of the genealogic tree.
Does the lawyer help you collect your documents?
The client normally shall give to the lawyer the complete, let's say, package of documents needed by the lawyer, who normally gives a sort of checklist of all the documents needed for the process.
And then what happens?
He prepares the, let's say, the act of summons, the initial claim, and files it with the Court of Rome.
Okay. How long does this process normally take?
The moment in which the lawyer has the documents in his or her hands, let's say the process shall last more or less around between 1 and 2 years, depending on the single judge dealing with that case.
Does the applicant physically need to go to Italy to be able to appeal a 1948 ruling?
The applicant, the plaintiff, does not need to come to Italy to attend to hearings, to make the process, to attend to any kind of step of the process. Since, as I told you before, the process is made by power of attorney.
I know there are a lot of variables, but what is a roundabout cost for appealing a 1948 ruling?
Concerning the judicial costs, more or less we are talking about starting from 600 euros to 1,000 euro of judicial costs.
Okay, the judicial fees are around 600 to 1,000 euros, plus the lawyer fees, plus the actual amount of money that you pay to collect the documents, plus the apostilles on those documents, plus the translations. Okay, great. Well, I think that's all the questions that I have for now, and thank you so much for your time. Grazie mille.
Buongiorno, arrivederci a tutti quanti, and I am at your disposal for any kind of further doubts you may have.
Thank you for tuning into DIY Italian Citizenship. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and visit my blog.